nice and clear on that side of the street. Over there, not so much. Look at the clouds, how quick they're moving over there. Oh, there it goes. Check this out how quick this screen is getting dark.
Is that the rain?
Yeah. Dry all of a sudden, and look down there, you just see the rain coming, and
yeah, here it is. Bucket.
you can't even see at the end of the tree.
Should probably, well.
Look at the trees. There, she go inside now. Hey everybody, Jeff Esposito here from jeffesposito.com. Hopefully you enjoyed the awesome weather that that came in the few minutes that I was just shooting out there in front of our house in Brighton. We went from a really nice afternoon, nice, hot, and muggy. We knew the tornado warning was in effect for Suffolk County. We just didn't know how quick it was going to come across. And as you could probably tell by, I'm lighting this with candles right now, and I'm really not trying to get romantic with you guys. I think that, as you could probably guess, we lost power, and I'm going to upload this video whenever we get internet connection back. So, Jeff Esposito here from jeffesposito.com saying enjoy watching that rainstorm. Have a great night. Bye-bye.